What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Hyundai Sonata remote key fob. This Hyundai Sonata key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we look on the bottom of our key fob, that area where that key just slid out of, this is the notch the key came out of. Just beside that, we see there's this notch right here. What I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and put it in that notch like this. Make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then I'm going to twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it splits the case apart. Go ahead and pull that the rest of the way apart like that. And then in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. And if you look closely, you can actually see a little icon of a screwdriver, and it says exchange battery right there. That's the area where I'm going to get my screwdriver on the side of the battery and then use it to pop it out of that holder. Once we get our old battery out, we can then install our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing our new battery with the plus side down, positive side down, plus side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first, this side that's over here that has this metal clip. So tuck that edge in first, and then snap it down into place. And then we can snap the two halves of the case back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.